Welcome back, guys. This is the another video related to S3. The last video we covered how to create S3 bucket by using Lambda expression. Those people are missed that video who can pause the last video. Okay, so now here in the Lambda. Now this is the function. So first we give the permission to that rule inside the rule. Okay, we inside the policies, I am policies. Okay, inside the policy, we just added the policy and add here S3, search S3 and S3. If you give the full access, what I want to give, I read and create the object. Now here you can search. I will show that here as well. I will show the how to create and how to list that out. All that. Okay, so now put the bucket object if you want to put it by using lambda. Okay, create. Okay, where is create jobs, create grant, create bucket. Okay, get bucket, get obj object object. If you want get it, you can go on to list. See the lists. List the bucket. Okay, this formation. Add this. Perfect. And AWS service S3 and less there's all resources and now perfect. Now next, now save the changes. Now here you can see S3 is coming. S3 is come. Okay. So now you can just ready for that. Now here, first we need to create that S3. One S3 bucket is available. Now I want to create one more thing. One more S bucket. Now go inside the Lambda function. Okay, at the time also you can create that trigger. Those people are missed the video. Post that video number three related to Lambda. Okay, there we I have implement event with and triggered. It will trigger at the time of the specific time. So now just I want to create one more bucket. Okay, 001. Perfect. Now test bucket I need to create it. So this code is available. Okay. Let's see, it's deployed or not. Let's see, it's deployed. Now run the test. Click on test button. And now let's see, it started and it's created. Now perfectly, it's done. Now just refresh this. Now here we get one more bucket, test bucket. Now if you want to create one more, just change the bucket. Bucket name should be unique. Create a two, or just deploy the code and, and test it. Okay. Now here you can see uh, three bucket are one, two, and bucket are skipped. Now I want to list all the bucket by using this lambda. So we have one function here. We are in that EC2 S3 list the bucket. Okay. Now this is the response we get. Now copy this. Okay. So now put inside the function. Now I want to copy this. No, open a notepad. Okay. Wait, this code. I will upload this code on GitHub update and upload this one in the repository. So now next is code is this one. Copy this code and inside the lambda into code. Perfect. Now S3 list buckets. This is the function. We get the response here. Okay, let's see we are getting the response. We are getting error. We need to resolve it. Okay. The error is if you go and try to like just click on test button, it will create it. Then you are not able to learn anything. Just you face some error, then you are understand some point why this error, how we can solve this error. Okay, so now let's deploy. It's deployed already. Now click on test. Let's see. Definitely error is coming. Access denied, error is coming, correct? We cannot list the bucket. Okay, correct. Now let's check the permissions. The rules and permissions policy. Inside the policy, we give that policy is three read write get object. I think. List in Hindi. So we need to give policies for that customer managed. Okay, we make Lambda. We give the permission here. Is not okay. Not this one. It is not upload, right? So we need to go and here we are not available. Here it is not available. Why? Let's see. Why it is not available. Should be. It should. It's available. Let read and write. It's available. What? Why it's not coming? Let's see. Why we are getting error in the CloudWatch? Let's see. Mm-hmm. Instance. Go back. Logs. Lambda, and we get it. Latest event is not triggering a so that this is the error we are getting. This is the error. Let's see. Okay. Only pay for this milliseconds. Okay. Custom, custom. EC2, this is the EC2 related thing. By the start and the stop. You can show the TTS time. This time the lambda is getting. Okay. Now let's hit. Okay. Just I need to delete all the logs. Okay. Select all the logs. Select all the logs and delete. Delete the logs. Delete the logs. And let's try to hit in the lambda function. Just test this. We getting logs or not? Let's see. Inside the log section. Refresh this. No, logs are not coming. Why? So only when come, definitely comes. But it is giving access denied when calling the list bucket operation. You are another thing to request. Only same error we are getting. Let's give the full access to it. Here inside the added summary, the remove get list bucket, get object, list bucket object, get the create bucket object. Now I just remove all these things. Maybe it's happening. Remove all these things and remove this one. Okay, just filter the service ES3 and give the full access. Okay. Now just add ES3 resource type all sources and select kind of resources and next S3 full access giving. We are getting a full access. Let's see. Okay, now policies. Now let's go inside this lambda. Okay, inside the lambda, deploy this. Try to get it. Not access done here, which or other it's okay. Now we are getting list of buckets. Now we are getting list of bucket. Now full access. Now here we get bucket list, bucket name, bucket list. Okay, we are getting a bucket list, bucket name. This is the bucket name. Three buckets are available. So now this type of thing you can do that. When we are getting error, then you can solve it. Now, so lot many things you have learned in this video. Okay, this is working perfectly code. This code I will update. Okay, I will update that. So thank you. We will meet next another video. There we are going to launch one EC2 instance by using Lambda. How to write the Lambda. So thank you. We will meet next session. Please share with your friends and subscribe this. We need more support for you guys. So I will upload that continuously.